Welcome to my channel. We are asked to do what? To simplify this. This is what? Indices. And whenever you see any question from indices, the first thing that will come to your mind is if you can put all of them in the same base. Okay? Now looking at this, I can put everything here in base 2 to be on base 2. Now, I can rewrite this 4 raised to the power of minus half as what? 2 raised to the power of 2 into minus what? Half. That is 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4. Times 16 is same thing as 2 raised to the power of 4 into what? 3 over 4. All over. This is 2 raised to the power of 2 into half. Okay? Now, once you have something like this, what do? You multiply the powers. That is according to the law of indices. So if I should multiply this, 2 will divide itself. 1 divide this, you are going to have 1. So for this, you are left with 2 raised to the power of what? 2 raised to the power of minus 1. Okay? Times 2 raised to the power of 4. We cancel 4. We are left with what? 3. All over. This cancel this. You are left with 2 raised to the power of 1. If you have watched to this level, it means that you are really enjoying what I'm doing. For you to get more of this, okay, you need to subscribe to this channel and then click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. All right, let us go ahead and solve this. There is this law of indices that states that when two numbers are in the same base and they are multiplying each other, all you need to do is to do what? To add the indices or the powers. What does that mean? It means that these particular numbers now, they are on the same base, 2, 2. I'm going to take 1, 2, okay, and I'm going to add the index. That is minus 1 plus what? 3. Okay, now if the particular numbers, they are what? In the same base, but they are dividing, just like you have 2, you have 2, you have 2, they are dividing each other. What you need to do is to subtract. So I'm going to subtract this one because it is dividing and they are what? In the same base. Now what am I going to have? 2 raised to the power of minus 1 will give you what? Minus 2. So you have minus 2 plus what? 3. Okay, minus 2 plus 3. So this is the same thing as, so this is what we have, 2 raised to the power of minus 2 plus 3, which can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 2, right? That is 2 raised to the power of 1, which is 2. And that is your final answer. Do have a lovely day. Bye.